Why they like me so? Bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush? You don't know me well. I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code. 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 Yeah, you can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code.
Old bitches getting knocked off, niggas catching clips like movies. Old bitch try to pop off, little bitch, you can't fool me. Red rags look like hot sauce, baby, you should wanna come.
Fuck me, that throws you back. I'm fucking scared. Right, so hey guys, welcome to what is the latest video. I'm here with... I forgot your name. Harry. What was it, sorry?
Harry Redstone.
Harry, yeah, Harry Redstone, there you go. Right. Hi guys, welcome to what is one. Once you fuck up once, you fuck up all the time. This one, as you can probably tell by the title, this isn't any ordinary S1. It's stock? Yeah, that's fucking stock. Enjoy the video.
That's where magic editing comes
Yeah,
in.
magic of editing. Honestly, the magic of editing is brilliant.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Harry. What was that, 30?
Yeah.
Yeah, 30.
We're in Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico City. Was that a bang? It pops and bangs, bloody hell.
It's not mapped in or anything, that's just natural.
Naturally. So is this running at what, a stage?
2.
Stage 2. You gonna push it more?
Yeah, IS38 turbo will be going on soon.
Yeah.
But it should take it to around 400.
400. What's it running now?
367.
367.
Well, I've had 2 dyno results.
And they're completely different. Because
Yeah.
you went to the awesome GTI day, didn't you?
Yeah, and it ran 333
Yeah.
and 378 foot-pound of torque.
Yeah.
However, all the stage 3 cars there ran supposedly supposed to be 400. One ran 414 on a different dyno.
Yeah.
He ran 378 there, so they're all pretty consistently low.
When you're running around, what, 400 horsepower, are you really pushing the limits of what the S1 can do?
No, not at all.
Because I know it's the same engine as what in the Golf S3, and I know
similar. The head's slightly different.
Yeah.
But bottom end pistons, rods are very similar. It's just the head is slightly different.
Yeah.
So the head on the S3 flows a little bit better than this one. So you're on the back foot already, but I mean you can run the same power as them on stock internals.
Yeah.
It's just you're pushing it a little bit more with this.
Than this, yeah. Fuck me, it's just definitely not linear. It really pushes you back and you see how many foot-pound of torque's it putting?
Again, 2 dyno results, 378 and 400.
Yeah. 400.
So say somewhere in between that.
You're running similar power. So if you haven't seen already, I went out with Shane Lovell. He's got that. He's got the Golf with that very controversial wing. You're running similar power to him. A lot similar, except this is, I'm guessing, a lot lighter.
Probably not.
Probably not.
No, this is quite heavy for what it is.
Yeah.
I think it is 1.3 ton.
1.3 tons.
I don't think the Golf's are that much heavier.
It is stripped out. Yeah, stripped out. Obviously the 4-wheel drive doesn't help as well, does it? That's
what all
heavy.
the weight is, to be fair, because it runs the same. Well, the diff's massive on the back of this.
Yeah. Is this got an LSD stock or no?
No,
No.
I think it's got one of them electronic controlled diffs, but
Okay.
I'm not sure, to be fair. I know it's the Haldex system, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the back is. But then I believe these are different as well.
Yeah.
I think they run 50-50, 60-40.
60-40. Yeah.
And then switch to 50-50.
Shit.
I think anyway, but.
Does that mean when you foot it, it spins the rears, or does it spin at all? Or is it just
it
gripping?
will? It'll spin, but not very much.
That was sideways. So much heat from here. Right, so you've probably come from me and Harry just blitzing around the car. This thing's an absolute animal. As you can probably tell, we're at the famous rooftop, as every YouTuber comes to rooftops nowadays, don't they, Harry?
I don't know.
You don't know? So yeah, we're going to walk around the car, talk a little bit about it. Obviously, it's not a stock car by any means. That was signs. Obviously, I'm here with Harry. How's it going, man?
Not too bad, mate.
Not too bad. So this is it, S1. Is it a standard S1?
No.
Not at all?
Well, it looks pretty stock from the outside, like.
Yeah. I mean, it's really sold, because I see a lot of S1s, they're bagged on their ass, they've got these crazy like decals on it. You've just gone for like a murdered out black angel, as they call them. As gay as that sounds, but
I mean, I do want to add some colour to it, but I like it all black, so.
Yeah. So what wheels are you running? Because I've noticed these ain't the standard rims, because you get the diamond cut ones, like the...
Yeah, diamond cut 5 spokes. 5
spokes. How many spokes? That's not 5. I may be able to count to 10, but that ain't 5.
Yeah, I don't even know the name of them. I just swapped them for standard wheels,
Yeah.
so I don't know rotor forms, like.
Yeah. Says it there, right? Rotor form.
Don't zoom in on the curb marks.
Curb marks. They don't know. They don't know.
Not done by me.
Not done by you. What other modifications do you have around the car?
It's more really engine than that.
Engine?
It's a bit of braking. We've just done full EBC pads all the way around, braided lines, race fluid. Under the bonnet, it's got the racer line catch can system.
Yeah.
Full intake, straight to turbo, full exhaust system.
Can we have a look at them? Can we pop the engine? Bloody hell. Yeah, the first thing that strikes you is this air filter here.
First in the UK.
First in the UK?
Yeah.
Were you part of the development program?
Yeah,
weren't you?
They just for the intake. They already had the software out, but they wanted to test their software with the intake.
I'm quite surprised you agreed to that. I'd be shitting myself.
Why?
Because what if it goes wrong? Did they agree to pay for it?
No.
No?
It's at your own risk, isn't it, really? But it is what it is.
Is what it is.
Development as well. So.
Yeah. Obviously, you can't really see it from here, can you?
No. You can see it from the front light, but like I say, I like it subtle.
Subtle?
Yeah.
Yeah, subtle.
My Fiesta wasn't subtle.
Yeah, I'll probably put a picture in now. I never do. I never put a picture when I say I will. But you said this is stage 2?
Yes.
Stage 2.
Yeah. At the moment.
At the moment, you're gonna go. Yeah, gonna go higher. I've noticed these aren't stock, are they?
No, they're AliExpress specials.
AliExpress special.
£3.
£3. That's all right. Add much? Do much?
No, they're bendy, look.
Oh shit! No way. I don't know. That's cool. It's just small things, isn't it? So have you done exhaust, didn't you?
Yeah, exhaust full Miltech system. With the black tips, I had to keep it stealth-like, so.
That's all right.
Obviously, they're a little bit dirtier than.
Yeah, I'm very hot. And I've never noticed that. I've never noticed you got rid of the badge here.
Yeah, well, it wasn't my choice.
Was it not?
No. The detailer ceramic coated my car, I took it off and said I'm not putting it back on, I look shit with it on, so I just left it off.
I don't know. I love how clean it looks. It's so clean that I didn't even notice. But it's the small things, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I like it with the badge on.
Yeah.
I mean, that's why you pay the money for the badge.
Yeah.
But I do like it without as well. It looks angry.
And I've noticed this part here, this sticker here.
That's all standard.
Standard? Is
Yeah.
it competition pack?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's the boot sticker, carbon fibre wing mirrors. That's all part of the pack that it comes with it.
is there any major differences between the standard S1 and competition pack?
Not really, because you can spec the S1 to a competition spec.
Yeah.
It just hasn't got the title, basically.
Okay.
The only thing you can't really do with the stickers, which you can do anywhere else anyway. Just Audi won't go on.
Yeah. That's why you got the sunroof. That's really, I don't see many S1s with sunroofs.
To be fair, when we went to Awesome GTI, there was only 3 cars there out of 12 that had a sunroof, like, so.
Yeah, I don't see it much. I see a few S1s at work. Yeah.
That's the best part about the car.
It's so different because everyone has the standard, you know, the blue, the yellow.
They look a lot better with their sunroofs as well.
Yeah, they do. It's almost like a fat wing.
Yeah, but there's a fat wing on the back soon, so.
Fat wing? Oh.
There might be.
Might be.
Depends.
How subtle? Because you say you like subtle.
That's not going to be subtle.
That's not going to be subtle. So I'm going to finish off the video here. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please obviously like, comment, subscribe. As always, we've actually really picked up. Shane's video has done incredibly well considering I get, what, 59 views per video. His managed a good, what, 517 views by the time this video is done. So, you know, guys, continue to smash it. Obviously from me and I called you fucking Shane. From me and Ari, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Why they like me so? Bitch, you talk too much. I'm moving the snow. Tell me what's the rush?